Hi, today we're going to learn how to find the volume of a rectangular prism. So volume is the number of cubic units needed to fill a space. So we can think of having this one prism here, and it takes about 8 cubes to fill it up. So it's the space on the inside that we're trying to find the measure of. So this is volume. In order to find the volume of a rectangular prism, you need to use a formula for volume of a rectangular prism. And that formula is volume is equal to length times width times height. Now, normally we just abbreviate it and we'll get V, make sure your V is uppercase. V is equal to length times width times height. Now we can have the letters just like this next to each other because that means that we're going to multiply it. And we don't have to use the long formula. We can abbreviate it. So volume is equal to length times width times height. So let's use our formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Here we have a rectangular prism, and we need to find the length, the width, and the height. So right here, we have the length, and we see that the length is 3. So the length is 3. It's actually 3 meters. The width is 3. And the height is 5. So now we take those numbers and we multiply them together. So it's length times width times height. So our length is 3, our width is 3, and together that gives us 9. This actually is the area of this bottom. And so then we multiply that by the height. So it's the 9 times the 5. So it'd be like stacking all the way up to find to produce the volume. So it's like starting at the bottom and going up. So 9 times 5 is equal to 45. So it's equal to 45 because we multiplied the length times the width times the height, which gave us 45. But we have to know what kind of unit we're using. And here you see we're using meters. So once we multiplied the length times the width, that gave us meters squared. And then we multiply it by the height, that is going to give us meters cubed. Because volume is measured by cubic units. And so our unit is meters, and it's cubic. So that's why it's meters cubed. So now we know how to find the volume of a rectangular prism.